Satnam, I am Mataji, and welcome to Building Physical Health and Mental Clarity. This is part of a series of exercises that are 5,000 years old. They're the results of human experiments by the ancient yogis, the sages, and the healers. And these kriyas have effects which no herb, no healing, nothing can equal. They are the very secret exercises of Kundalini Yoga. These very special and powerful kriyas take only 9 minutes with 2 minutes of relaxation time. This meditation can change anyone's life. The busy person who has little spare time need only invest 11 minutes a day to become young, fresh, and new in just 9 minutes. You can renew your chakra systems, bring the elements into balance, and control your breath. Organize yourself and be smart. So let's begin. 3 exercises. This is part 1. We'll sit in easy pose with the elbows bent, upper arms near the ribs. We have our thumbs that will be stretched across the palms and connected in the mound beneath the little finger. This is known as the Mercury mound. This is a stimulation of your communication skills, also your intuition. Hold your fingers straight and tight. Hold your spine nicely erect. Sit tall. Lift the chest. We're going to look at the tip of the nose, so direct your eyes downward to the tip of the nose, and the eyes become barely open, 1/10 open it's called. We're going to breathe very powerfully the breath of fire. This is a master breath technique in Kundalini Yoga exclusively, where you breathe evenly in and out of your nose. But in this case, we're also going to be very conscious of powerfully moving the navel point, because the yogic scriptures say that 500 diseases will not come near a person who moves his navel point, because the navel point totally controls all the vayus, which are your pranic airs that circulate throughout your body. This exercise is said will also support a man to avoid impotency, as well as a woman having any menopausal problems. It will maintain your youthfulness as the end result. This is a 3-minute exercise, and we'll begin. Last 60 seconds, keep up. Really move your navel point, please. Inhale deep. Hold, tighten everything, circulate everywhere. Cannon fire out the mouth. Again. Hold, tighten, circulate. Cannon fire. Last time. Hold, tighten. This time exhale with a long, slow whistle. Good. Now, part 2, we'll again have the elbows bent. The upper arms are near the wrist. We have the thumbs away from the hands like so, because we're going to lead the movement with the thumbs, back and forth. The thumbs are leading the movement. Total power of the movement is coming from the thumbs. The thumbs are solid, the fingers are firm. You're going to move the hands with a heavy jerk back and forth. Move as hard and fast as you can. Look at the tip of the nose and breathe long, slow, and deep. We're here for 3 minutes. We're about 1.5 minutes into it. Make the breath long, slow, and deep. Keep the eyes at the tip of the nose and really jerk the hands with the thumbs leading the way. I'm primarily right-handed, and so my left hand is very challenging for me to move it in a very conscious way. So it's just sort of flopping around a little bit, but I'm very aware of it, and I'm activating my awareness to control the left hand and move it with a rhythm and a smoothness. There it goes. Now we're 1 more minute in. So move as fast as you can. If you happen to notice that this is painful, it means you're probably deficient in minerals. So make a note of that. Use your thumbs. Move as quick and as challenging as you can, back and forth. Okay, something is happening with me. I'm really having a tough time moving, and this is very normal. That means something is shifting in my physical health and my mental clarity. So I'm going to keep going. It's a reset moment. When you have those sort of spasms happen, very normal. Okay, inhale deep. Hold the breath. Tighten everything as much as you can, all the muscles of the body, and move the hands as fast as you can while you're holding and tightening. Exhale. Again, inhale. Tighten. And exhale. And last time, inhale. Hold and tighten and move. And exhale. Good. Beautiful. All right. Last one of this 3-part exercise is we have our elbows bent, and the breath is going to be, again, the master breath through the mouth. Like that. This is called an O-shaped mouth with the breath of fire. We're going to be moving the arms outward, but heavily inward, bringing them in like a heavy hammer blow. Full force and strength, all right? This is going to really shake a lot of energy into the body. Now on this one, we do have our thumbs connected to the sides of the hands, and the fingers are very stiff. Remember, the physical force is for the inward movement. So let's make our mouth into an O. Let's look at the tip of the nose again. Sit tall. Set ourselves. Notice that my arm is not going all the way out. It's just going out to here. And really use the full force inward. Keep going. Now inhale deep and keep the movement going as fast as you can. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake energy into every cell of the body on this last one. Now just relax, and it's important to sit very still and go into a deeply relaxed state of being for at least 1 minute. This is the integration part of this 9-minute exercise, building physical health and mental clarity. Kriyas are always designed very specifically And very intentionally, each exercise builds on the other to have a certain outcome, and this relaxation is a part of it. So as you sit and just slow the breath down, hands are in the Gyan Mudra, connecting your index, your Jupiter finger to your thumb. You can also just place your hands in your lap if you're feeling inclined to do that. And just breathe long and deep. Remain seated tall. You can also lie down if you choose. Good. Take a breath in and exhale. Sat and Nam.